Hot Wheels 1985 Honda CRX. The Hot Wheels 1985 Honda CRX was released in 2018. Let's open the car. The color of the car is matte black, and it has gold 10-spoke wheels. On the front it has red stripe. On the side it has 85 Honda and red-white livery. Clear window tint, 85, and red stripe on hood. Red plastic base. Let's swap the wheels. Drill the rivet with 4mm drill bit. Separate the casting and the base. Take out the old wheel. Place the new wheel. Combine the base and the casting again. Hot Wheels Ford Escort. The Hot Wheels Ford Escort was released in 2025. Let's open the car. The color of the car is black, and it has gray aero disc wheels. On the hood it has geometric pattern. On the side it has geometric pattern with 17 and various sponsor. Smoke window tint and 17 on roof. Black plastic base. Let's swap the wheels. Drill the rivet with 4mm drill bit. Separate the casting and the base. Take out the old wheel. Place the new wheel. Combine the base and the casting again. Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Rallye. The Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Rallye was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is dark green, and it has gold Manson Chung 5-spoke wheels. On the front it has Porsche emblem and detailed headlights. On the side it has 17, multicolored striping, and Hot Wheels logo. Smoke window tint, 17, and multicolored striping on hood. Black plastic base. Let's swap the wheels. Drill the rivet with 4mm drill bit. Separate the casting and the base. Take out the old wheel. Place the new wheel. Combine the base and the casting again. Hot Wheels 96 Dodge Viper GTS. The Hot Wheels 96 Dodge Viper GTS was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is Metal Flake Viper GTS Blue, and it has white 5-spoke wheels. On the front it has white stripe, Viper logo, and detailed headlights. On the back it has Viper license plate and taillights. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Drill the rivet with 4mm drill bit. Separate the casting and the base. Take out the old wheel. Place the new wheel. Combine the base and the casting again.